Hello, it's Dr. Rothwell. I just wanted to make a video to show you how to shrink the resolution of a video using a PC application called Video Editor. All you would have to do is search for Video Editor in your Windows and go ahead and open Video Editor. What this is going to do is bring up this prompt here to create new video project. Go ahead and select that. You would name it something. Then you would go ahead and add the video from a directory. If you have the directory open already, you can just go ahead and drag and drop. So go ahead and add the video. My video is in my downloads. Actually, no, it's in my Chrome. Give me 1 second. So we'll just add the video from, so I got to add from, it's in my downloads. It's here this time. So we'll go ahead and open it. You'll take that video, and once it's here, you'll go ahead and select it, hold it, and then drag it down here to the area. It didn't work. Sorry. I don't know what's going on. Okay, as you see, I did manage to get, I don't know what happened with my computer there for a second. So you drag it down to the storyboard, and then you don't really have to do anything to it if it's already trimmed to size. If you need to trim it to size, you go ahead and select trim, and then you just drag from one side or the other how you would need it to be trimmed. Once you are satisfied with your trim, if you needed to, go ahead and just select Finish Video. And then here it's going to ask you the video quality. You're going to go smallest, which is low, and export. You go ahead and save it somewhere you'll know where it is. I always like throwing things on the desktop. And then go ahead and export. And then now your video will be a smaller, more manageable size.